Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you got that jury summons in the mail for a court in Illinois, and you tossed it aside, forgot about it, or just plain decided not to go. Now you're wondering, what's the worst that can happen? Let's break down what happens when you miss jury duty in the state of Illinois, because it's more serious than you might think. Jury service isn't just an invitation, it's a legal obligation and a cornerstone of our justice system. When you don't show up, the court system takes it very seriously and they won't just forget about you. Initially, the court will likely send you another notice, which is basically a second chance to appear or explain yourself. But if you ignore that one too, things escalate quickly. The court can issue what's called an order to show cause. This is a formal court order demanding you appear before a judge and explain why you should not be held in contempt of court. Contempt of court simply means you've disrespected the authority of the court by willfully disobeying its order, and that jury summons was a court order. When you go before the judge, you'll have to provide a very good reason for your absence. Saying "I forgot" or "I didn't feel like it" will not go over well and won't be considered a valid excuse. So what are the actual penalties for being held in contempt? Under Illinois law, failing to appear for jury duty can result in a fine, which can range from $5 up to $100 or even more depending on the county and the circumstances. But it doesn't necessarily stop there. The judge also has the power to sentence you to jail time. While it's often just for a few days, the possibility of being locked up for skipping jury duty is very real, especially if it seems like you deliberately ignored the summons. You could also be ordered to complete community service. Often, the judge might impose a combination of these penalties. Now, what if it was an honest mistake? Maybe you were genuinely sick, had a family emergency, or you moved and never received the summons. The absolute best thing you can do is be proactive. As soon as you realize you missed your date, call the jury administrator or the circuit clerk for the county that summoned you. Their contact information is on the original summons. Explain your situation honestly. In most cases, especially for a first-time issue with a valid reason, they will be understanding and simply reschedule your service for a future date. The key is communication. Hiding from the problem only makes it worse and look more intentional. And remember, if you have a legitimate reason why you can't serve on your assigned date, like a medical condition, a pre-planned vacation, or extreme financial hardship, don't just skip. You must follow the instructions on the summons to request a postponement or an exemption before your service date. The courts have clear procedures for this. To sum it up, missing jury duty in Illinois is a serious matter that can lead to fines, jail time, and a contempt of court charge on your record. Don't ignore that summons. If you have a problem, communicate with the court clerk's office right away. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this information was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward answers to your legal questions.